Understanding brush strokes in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the picturesque world of expressions in English. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning behind the phrase, brush strokes, and how you can use it to paint your conversations with more color and detail. So, let's get started. When we talk about brush strokes, we're referring to the actions a painter uses to apply paint on a canvas. Each stroke can vary in size, direction, and pressure, contributing to the overall look of a painting. Just like an artist's signature, brush strokes are unique and tell us a lot about the painter's technique and style. Moving beyond the canvas, brush strokes is often used metaphorically. In everyday English, it can describe the specific characteristics or details that make up a situation or a person's character. For instance, when describing a scenario, mentioning the brush strokes means you're paying attention to the fine details that create the bigger picture. Let's put brush strokes into action. You might say, understanding the cultural brush strokes of a language can really help in learning it effectively. Here, it symbolizes the subtle nuances and details of culture that influence language use. Brush strokes can also enhance your descriptive abilities. Describing someone's work or actions as broad brush strokes implies they're generalizing or not focusing on details. Conversely, detailed brush strokes suggests a careful and meticulous approach. And that's a wrap on brush strokes. By understanding and using this phrase, you can add more depth and vividness to your English. I hope this video helps you paint your conversations with more confidence and creativity. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be mastering the art of English expressions with ease.